More than anything, this video is actually an eye-opener for us. See, we are living our lives, but this type of stuff, it just blows our mind away. So basically, I came across this post that folding a paper 103 times will make it larger than the universe. And I'm gonna show you this one video where it puts it into perspective. So let's just see the video, and then I'm gonna show you some other stuff like how much have people folded the papers realistically. So let's start with the video first. Should I? Okay, by the 15 fold, it's almost double the size of a maybe let's say 5 foot 3, 4, 5 women. So it's double by this time. Still, we have a lot to go. You see. Let me just make it big screen. Right now we are at fold 20. Now this already looks like a big uh, tower. By fold 25 we are 3.3 kilometers upwards. Oh, fold 37, it's 13,744 kilometers. Now we are almost halfway there, and see, this is 56 million kilometers by fold 49. Esse é o DJ Sicários, porra. Fold 64 is 1.8 trillion kilometers. Respeita, filha da puta. This is just mind-blowing. With 103 folds, the thickness would be larger than the diameter of the observable universe. Oh goodness. This video just put everything in perspective. Then I went to Google to see what is realistically possible. So what I got to know is that people have been able to fold it 7 times. Most people have done that. However, there was one article that some people have even folded 8, 9, or even 12 times, but it actually comes down to the uh, technique or maybe the thickness of all that. However, we have to check out the numbers as well. I asked ChatGPT for this, so it gave me this. So each fold doubles the thickness of the paper. This means that growth is exponential, not linear. After just a few folds, the thickness grows rapidly. 10 folds is about the height of a hand, 20 folds taller than a building, 40 folds reaching space, 50 folds distance to the sun, 103 folds larger than the observable universe. This is surprising, guys. Oh, let me know down in the comments if you also find this astonishing. And by the way, I just make these videos for fun, and well, whatever I am seeing, I like to share with people. I have nothing to sell to you guys. However, the thing is, I would really appreciate if you follow my YouTube channel where I vlog. I really want to grow it, and I need your support, guys. That's the honest truth. So you are gonna see a card where you can press, and it will take you to this channel. And this is my vlogging channel. Maybe in the future when you will be seeing these videos, uh, we might be at 1,000 subscribers, we might be somewhere else. But if you subscribe to this, uh, it's definitely it's gonna be fun, because these are like not normal vlogs. Whatever I learn, I share in these vlogs as well. Thank you so much for your time. I love you all.